Hi, this is Mr. Liu, and I am your 7-Minute Sensei. Today, I will attempt to explain to you how to produce your own YouTube video in 7 minutes or less. Well, actually, it isn't the easiest thing to do. I want to say at one time, YouTube Studio allowed you just to record directly into YouTube, but that certainly is not the case today. If you want to use YouTube, you've got to produce your video either on a tool like Loom, Screencast-O-Matic would work, your Microsoft camera could work, or whatever recording device could work. If you want to get fancy, you might attempt to try an OBS software. So that would be an open broadcasting system software. And for example, I use StreamLabs, OBS, and you could try that out. If you do want to get into those tools, I highly recommend that you just buy the premium version and give that a try, because the basic levels are really not that interesting. If you would like to get a YouTube channel, you need to have a minimum of 100 subscribers. So once you produce your video, then all you need to do is go to YouTube Studio, upload your video, and then you can add a title card to it if you want. So that's where you would redirect your viewers to another YouTube video. So that is available. If you are doing open broadcasting system software, then you would use live stream. So that would be YouTube live stream. Once you create your videos, you might want to create a playlist. So if you teach multiple classes, you might want to have a channel or a playlist for example, economics, maybe one for marketing, one for digital business applications, and in my case, one more for entrepreneurship. So I think that's about it for now. There's a lot more that I need to demonstrate to you. Again, depending on what level you want to get to. Probably the easiest thing would be to try out Loom. And if you try that out, you can do a simple recording, save the file. It's just saved by default as an MP4 file or an MPEG file. And then you can simply just upload that file to your YouTube channel. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. Once again, this is Mr. Liu. I am your 7-Minute Sensei, saying good luck.